and welcome back to my channel. A couple weeks ago I shared a video of me decorating my kitchen for Christmas and you all really seem to enjoy that. So I do want to share another decorate with me, except this time with some farmhouse decor. I have this big blank wall on the side of my kitchen, so I wanted to put like a little farmhouse scenery and bring you all along to show you how I do that. I do want to give a huge thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring today's video. I'll put the coupon code up on the screen, but you get $30 off of your first order if you use my coupon code, and I'll put all of the links down below, so make sure to go check them out. Whenever all my Christmas decor comes down, my kitchen is plain, so I do want to add a little scenery in here to help fill it up and make it feel more decorated. I was so excited whenever Home Chef reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try some of their meals. If you've watched my channel for a while, you know that I have a 2-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 6-year-old, so life is unreal busy right now, as well as trying to run my YouTube channel. So to be able to go online and choose the meals that I want to prepare for my family and get the exact ingredients without going grocery shopping and get them delivered straight to my door, yes, sign me up. So you can pick from, I think, 18 meals, as well as they have add-ons like fresh fruit and smoothies. I do want to try their smoothies. I am excited about that. So today we are trying the sesame teriyaki steak with peas and rice, and on the back it shows you just exactly how to fix this, and it looks so good, so I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get the food on, and then I'll show you my plans to decorate my blank wall in my kitchen.
Every change has a reason.
So we did order a couple of different meals in this box, and it was packaged so well with ice packs that if you did need to leave it on your porch for a little bit, it does keep it nice and cold until you're able to get it in the fridge. I do want to mention that this was a pretty quick meal to make, and it did come in large enough portions that we did have plenty of leftovers. So I knew I needed something simple because there's not a lot of space on this wall, so I picked up a picture and a shelf from Hobby Lobby, and I thought these were really pretty and looked like farmhouse pieces. I love this shelf and I love the bottom of it. I think it's really pretty, but I wanted to be able to add some cute decor on there to liven up this area. I did get this on one of those 50% off sales, so I did end up paying about $20 for the picture and then about $20 for the shelf. I love the frame on this. I think it's so pretty with my gray walls, and it has a rustic look to it. I had also picked up some of these black little home, faith and love, or hope, faith, love signs that came from there as well, and I thought these were really pretty. I didn't end up using them right now, but I will save them for a different area. After I had laid these out, I realized that the love was in a heart, actually different from the other ones, so I did end up scooting it in the middle. I wish that you all could tell me which one you like better before I put this up, but I decided back on the original picture that I had used before, just because I do want to add some decor on this shelf, and I didn't know if it was going to be too busy with the 3 separate photos, so I may just stack those and hang them by themselves on an area that's not so wide. So then after I decided on this bless this home sign, I want to show you how I use painter's tape to hang these up. This is super simple to use on anything. I always struggled getting these pictures straight and getting to hang them even on the wall, but I just always start with a straight edge of my tape, and I put it in the very center of one D-ring and then cut it off at the other center of the other D-ring. So after I get it the right size, I'm just able to put it up on the wall, and then I can see exactly where each little nail would go on each side of this tape. And I like this because I'm able to take my tape measure, and then I can just pull the tape up very easily and pull it to where it needs to go and where I will be able to see where the nail goes. This honestly has saved me a ton of nail holes. I always got every picture crooked, but I just love this method of hanging up all of my pictures. So I just put the nails in the top corners of the tape, and then I'm able to peel the tape and it leaves the perfect nails where I'm able to hang my photo. And then I'm just going to repeat the same thing to get the shelf hung straight as well. And then after I made sure that everything was straight and even, I just added some decor pieces that I already had. My mom gave me this salt and pepper shaker with a napkin holder, and she even gave me some napkins to put in it. And then I added this lantern, a candle, and then a little plant that I already had. And then I had enough space on the other side that I wanted to add something extra. I had one of these little windmills. I had picked this up from Hobby Lobby in the Christmas section. They actually had a lot of farmhouse ornaments. So I thought this was really cute just hanging there. This is the same one that I used in that home palette sign that I made a few videos back. So this is how it looked when I got it all put together. I know it's not super overwhelming, but I did want something simple and clean, especially whenever all this Christmas comes down. I just want a very minimalized kitchen, so I'm gonna try to do that. But I love how this looks. It sticks out a little bit, so it is noticeable, but not far enough that it's gonna be in the way. I always worry about shelving in here because this is a very narrow kitchen. So I was debating whether I need to add some kind of a little greenery at the top of that, maybe a little swag, and add some of my cotton stems in there. So let me know what you think. And then after our food was finished cooking, I just put it really pretty on these plates. This sauce was so good. I loved that. And it tells you how to add it to your steak. And then I paired it with those little veggies that I cooked. But I absolutely loved my meal. I thought it was really good. So I want to give another big thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring today's video. That was so much fun and definitely something that we will do again. Me and my husband are actually planning on our next date night, and we're already wanting to get online and find out what we're going to make for that. My mom actually had my kids today, so it was just me and him got to sit down and enjoy our nice little steak dinner, which never happens. So it was so much fun, and I highly recommend you going and checking them out. And remember, I will link my coupon code down below, which is Katelyn30 off, and you will receive $30 off of your first purchase of Home Chef. So make sure that you go and check that out. I think it is definitely worth trying. We both really enjoyed it, and I did think it was really good. I also hope you enjoyed my little wall decor that I did, my farmhouse decor. Let me know in the comments below which one that you would have used, the black little hope, faith, love signs, or the big bless this home sign. I would love to know. I definitely am going to use both of them, just not in this area right now. But I really had fun sharing this video with you all. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments below and give this video a big thumbs up because I would love to do more. I've been wanting to decorate an entryway. We have been kind of renovating our house, so I have a ton of more projects to share if you like this type of video. So give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!